Another one bites the dust, boys. For all of you that follow us on Instagram, you already know this happened, but yeah, I got rear-ended in my daily last night. It was not my fault, obviously. We'll show you guys the entire dash cam footage. My car is possibly totaled. What do you think, Jay?
Yeah, it's done so, dude.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
That way you get a new car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Frickin' sucks. Unfortunately, getting in wrecks is kind of a common theme on this channel, but I would like to point out, we drive a lot. My Corolla, I've put like almost 40,000 miles on it within a year, which I know some of y'all that's like not much, but to most of y'all, it is a lot of miles. So when we look at the big picture, I'm willing to bet our accident prone percentage is roughly the same of everyone else's that drives like a normal person, doesn't put 40,000 miles in their vehicles. What matters is I'm okay, a little bit sore, but I'll live. And we're actually on our way to New Mexico, but more on that in a second. There's freaking snow, and we're from Texas, and this is like super strange. All right, let's go ahead and jump into this dash cam footage. All right, so I was heading west on this two-way road, one lane each direction. Speed limit was like 35 miles an hour, so luckily we weren't going that fast. Pretty sure someone up ahead was turning left, and the car in front of me was almost stopped. So I had to start slowing down, and as you can tell, I left a pretty good following distance between me and the car in front. So we'll go ahead and play the clip a little bit. Now, obviously this happens really fast. Basically, as you can tell, the car behind me, I don't know what she was doing, but texting, doing her makeup, something was going wrong. But she didn't see me, slammed right into the back of me, and luckily I had my foot on the brake, but she hit me pretty fast. I think she was doing between 30 to 35, so it was a pretty hard hit. That sent my car into the back of the Civic in front of me, and luckily I barely love tapped him, so as you'll see in a second, there was barely any damage to the Civic in front of us. So are you okay?
I'm so sorry. I was looking in my mirror and I didn't see you stop.
That's fine. Are you okay?
I don't know. Are you okay?
I'm good, yeah. My back hurts. So I did take a lot of pictures, so we'll start with my car. Obviously, trunk lid will need to be replaced as well as the bumper, and I didn't get it in the photos, but we actually got it home and had to force the trunk lid open because the latch was broken. It was like smushed shut. So once we opened the trunk lid, we found out that the subframe was actually bent. The car behind me, the car that actually hit me, the front end was like demolished. It was really bad. So my car fared very well compared to the car that hit me. Surprisingly though, she actually was able to drive it home, and my car included. All three of us were able to drive our cars home, so. All right, so we're gonna keep this video short and sweet. So that's pretty much all that happened. Again, I'm good. Also, pretty sure the lady that hit me was good, and I know for sure the guy in the Honda was good. So, and luckily I learned from the Saab guys. I now have uninsured motorist, which I shouldn't even have to use for this accident.
You should have just asked me. I'm an insurance agent guy.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
So
anyways, we don't care about your accident, dude. It's time for vacation. We're here. You made me do this.
Vacation. Vacation.
Pajamas. Yeah, we're still gonna work on vacation. But it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna go learn how to snowboard tomorrow.
Myself, Jay, and Bree, we're here in New Mexico at your grandparents' house, actually.
Yep.
This place is freaking cool. It's like legit cabin.
Yeah. No scary cabin in the woods type deal.
Joe and Zach were supposed to come with us, but they had to work, so
you guys suck.
Here we are.
We're gonna have fun without you. Not our fault.
I know we're gonna shoot some video of us like busting ass down a ski slope or something.
Yeah,
something's gonna happen.
Yeah.
So
something always happens.
But we actually just finished shooting picking up Uber riders in the dune buggy, so that's gonna drop in a few days, possibly Saturday. So tomorrow, maybe, if I can find time to edit it. Wouldn't count it though, because I think we're gonna be on the slopes for a while. But
well, I mean, until one of us breaks something, or causes an avalanche or something.
We will see y'all in the next video. It's gonna be great. Be a lot better than this one. So thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah. See you guys next time.
Peace. Was not expecting this, were you?
No, I was like, I don't see no Nissan Sentra.